To rotate the screen on a MacBook, you can still do it in macOS Tahoe 26.4.1. Apple made it a bit hard to find the setting for the screen that is built into the MacBook. They did this so people do not change it by accident. If you do not see the option to rotate the screen in the settings for the display, you have to do some steps to make it show up. First, you need to close the system settings by using Command Q. Then you have to press and hold the Option key. While you are holding the Option key, you need to open the system settings from the dock. You still need to hold the Option key and click on Displays in the sidebar. Now you should see the menu that lets you rotate the screen. You can choose from an options, the normal way, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. After you pick one, a box will pop up to ask if you are sure. You need to click Confirm within 15 seconds or the screen will go back to how it was. There are a few things to keep in mind. If you have a monitor, you can rotate the screen without using the Option key trick. This special way of getting to the setting only works for the screen that is built into the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. If the option to rotate the screen is gray, it is probably because the screens are mirrored. When the screens are mirrored, you cannot rotate them separately. You need to switch to a mode in the display settings so you can rotate the screens one by one. If you are using the 26.4.1 version and you rotate the built-in screen while something called Stage Manager is on, you might get some problems. You might see a bug where the icons on the dock look like they are copied. If that happens, you need to open something called Terminal and type in a command to reset the dock and get rid of the copied icons. There is no key on the keyboard that you can press to rotate the screen in macOS. This is different from Windows, where you can press some keys to change the orientation of the screen. You can make your own shortcut to rotate the screen by using an app called Shortcuts or something called Automator. You can use a tool called Display Placer to make a script that changes the display settings and then assign it to a trigger. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and catch you on the next one.